Startup Fundraising course if free with enrollment to any Oakfarm college course. Unlock the secrets of startup fundraising. Are you an entrepreneur or aspiring founder looking to secure funding for your dream venture? This course is your ultimate guide to navigating the world of startup fundraising. Learn how to attract investors, craft the perfect pitch, and take your startup to new heights. What you will learn: the fundamentals of startup funding, how to create a compelling pitch deck, tips for approaching venture capitalists and angel investors, understanding funding rounds and equity, strategies for bootstrapping and crowdfunding. If you don't enroll in any of our courses but wish to start fundraising early, you can purchase the Startup Fundraising course separately at oakfarmcollege.com. This comprehensive course covers creating profitable business ideas, crafting compelling proposals, setting up your startup, mastering top-notch pitching skills, and connecting with proven investors. Gain the knowledge and tools to secure funding and elevate your business from zero to success. Don't wait. Start your journey to entrepreneurial excellence today. Take your first step towards financial success. Enroll now at www.oakfarmcollege.com/enroll. Don't forget to subscribe for more powerful courses like this. Like, share, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video.